Today we are going to talk about call sheet chips and the related bonding technology and COB process. Although the name of today's protagonist is call sheet chip, but it doesn't have a distinctive smell, although it's hard to tell what they look like. However, it is not difficult to find that its volume is much smaller than that of the general package of chips. Therefore, it is often seen in calculators, game consoles, multimeters, and other places. And its cost is only 1/2 to 1/3 of the hard package IC integrated chip. I can't help but applaud the bullshit chip. Although the name is not very elegant, but I have other names too, such as bonding chip and soft package chip. Why are they called bonding chips? Because of the bonding technology, that is chip wiring. It is a way of wiring in the chip production process. It is generally used to connect the circuit inside the chip to the package pin with a gold wire before packaging. It's not hard to understand. Chip wiring is actually lead bonding. Those of you who like to take things apart should be familiar with this gold thread. It's not once open a single chip computer or CPU when seen. It's the same inside the sheet chip. But most people are in the process of dismantling the cowpoop chips. It'll destroy the wires inside. It is because of the personality of the cow sheet chip, which is better than the jade. Maintenance becomes extremely difficult. You basically have to replace the entire chip. Therefore, low-level electronic products are widely used because these products are so cheap that you wear them out, throw them out, and buy a new one. Lead bonding is basically connecting the IC to other electronic devices or connect from one printed circuit board PCB to another. It is generally considered to be the most cost-effective and flexible interconnect technology used to assemble the vast majority of semiconductor packages. Among them, the bonding process with the wire includes ultrasonic welding, hot pressure welding, and thermocaustic welding. These are gold wire, silver wire, copper wire, and gold aluminum wire. The bonding modes also include spherical bonding and wedge bonding. Despite all that was just said, it doesn't matter to most of us, but at least it makes the sheet chip look a little less low. Right, it's called rounding. As long as it's not low, then I'm high. It's not hard to explain why bonding technology will shine at the forefront of semiconductor applications. Then someone's gonna ask again, why are they also repackaged after lead bonding? The price difference between call sheet chips and other chips can be that big. Package a chip according to the package form to charge. For example, is it packaged as dip or soap and so on? Package different number of feet. The price is different. From the evolution history of electronic chip packaging, from IC package COB flip chip COG, smaller and smaller. Of course, there is also a common CSP package between COB and COG. Among them, the COB package is the package of the call sheet chip just mentioned. COB put it plainly, lead bonding and sealing operations are moved to the circuit board only. Can save the original IC package, cutting foot molding and printing process. It can also reduce the cost of management and repair of IC packaging factory. So basically, its process will be cheaper than the IC packaging process. The COB package here can also be said to be COB bonding or bonding package. Keywords chip. So often said single chip microcomputer state not only a low price, large quantity. The difficulty of cracking is high, and therefore it is widely used. Not only that, the COB process has been applied in the field of lighting for many years, from LED chip package to LED display unit module combination. All display production is done in one factory. integrated and simplified production processes for packaging companies and display manufacturers. The production process is easier to organize, and control the point spacing of the product can be smaller. Reliability multiplied. It has many advantages such as thin anti-collision and anti-pressure, large viewing angle, flexible and strong heat dissipation ability. But like the sheet chips, they are not easy to repair. If a lamp bead breaks during encapsulation, the entire COB will be scrapped. This increases the scrap rate of finished products.